Hey gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best dash cam front and rear that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6. In our list, the number 6 product name is Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam. When I hit the road, the Nexar Beam GPS Dash Cam is my reliable companion. Its compact design fits neatly behind the rearview mirror, capturing every drive in stunning 1080p i Full HD with a 135-degree wide-angle lens. It's perfect for keeping track of critical moments on the road while staying out of sight. Moreover, the built-in smart detection and unlimited cloud backup ensures I never lose important footage. Whether it's a sudden brake or a collision, the dash cam automatically saves clips to the Nexar app and backs them up in the cloud, giving me peace of mind. In addition, the parking mode offers 24/7 protection. Even when my car is parked, the Nexar Beam starts recording at the slightest impact. I get notified immediately when I reconnect my phone, making sure I never miss anything important. Pros: compact design fits discreetly, crisp 1080p video and wide-angle view, unlimited cloud backup with smart detection, parking mode for 24/7 security. Cons: requires a smartphone connection. Subscription fee applies after the first year. Number 5. In our list, the number 5 product name is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. When I'm looking for a discreet yet reliable dash cam, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is my top choice. Its car key-sized design tucks neatly behind my rearview mirror, so I hardly notice it's there. But it's always ready to capture 1080p video with its wide 140-degree field of view. Additionally, its Garmin Clarity HDR optics ensure crystal-clear recordings, whether it's bright daylight or dim night. The voice control feature is a game-changer, letting me save clips, snap pictures, or start audio recording hands-free in multiple languages. Furthermore, I love the parking guard feature that alerts me through the Garmin Drive app if anything happens while my car is parked. And with live view monitoring, I can check on my vehicle remotely whenever needed, provided there's constant power and Wi-Fi. However, I need to ensure a reliable Wi-Fi connection and purchase a compatible micro SD card separately, which is a slight inconvenience. Pros: ultra-compact, discreet design, crystal-clear HDR video quality, parking guard and live view for peace of mind, dual USB charger included for added convenience. Cons: requires constant Wi-Fi and power for advanced features. Micro SD card not included. Number 4. In our list, the number 4 product name is Cobra SC400D Dash Cam. When it comes to capturing every detail on the road, the Cobra SC400D Dash Cam is my ultimate choice. With UHD 4K resolution, it delivers 4 times the clarity of 1080p, ensuring every moment, front and rear, is crystal clear, day or night. What's more, its 3-camera capability gives me complete coverage. The included front and rear cameras record simultaneously, and there's an option to add a cabin view camera for full 360-degree protection inside and out. Plus, the 3-inch touchscreen makes navigating features like live police alerts and GPS simple and intuitive. Additionally, I love the Drive Smarter app for instant incident reports and emergency Mayday alerts. In case of an accident, my emergency contact is notified automatically, a feature that brings peace of mind. However, the hardwire setup required for remote live view might take extra effort, and the system is most effective with a reliable internet connection. Pros: UHD 4K video resolution for stunning clarity, 3-camera capability for comprehensive coverage, Alexa built-in and live police alerts, emergency Mayday for added safety. Cons: hardwire setup needed for remote live view, relies on Wi-Fi for certain features. Number 3. In our list, the number 3 product name is Vantrue N4-Cam. When it comes to safeguarding my car from every angle, the Vantrue N4-Cam is my go-to solution. With its 3-channel capability, it records the front, rear, and cabin simultaneously in 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, providing unparalleled coverage and peace of mind. Moreover, the 4K front and 1080p rear dual camera setup ensures crystal clear visuals, whether capturing road signs or license plates. For rideshare drivers like Uber or Lyft, the 1440p dual front and inside cameras make it easy to document cabin activity, thanks to its flexible, adjustable lens. At night, this dash cam truly shines with infrared night vision and Starvis CMOS sensors, delivering sharp footage even in pitch-black conditions. The 24-hour parking mode adds an extra layer of security, automatically recording incidents when the car is parked. However, the lack of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth might be a downside for some users, and a hardwire kit is needed for advanced features like parking mode. Pros: 3-channel recording for full coverage, infrared night vision for clear footage in darkness, heat-resistant supercapacitor for extreme weather. Cons: no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth support, requires external GPS and hardwire kit for full functionality. Number 2. In our list, the number 2 product name is Miofive S1 Ultra-Cam. When it comes to reliable and clear recording, the Miofive S1 Ultra-Cam is my ultimate choice. With its 4K plus 4K dual recording capability, this dashcam captures every detail from the front and rear, ensuring ultra-high-definition visuals for complete peace of mind. Its advanced polarizer and 8-megapixel sensor provide crystal-clear footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. Moreover, connecting to the dashcam has never been easier, thanks to its dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Using the intuitive app, I can preview, download, and manage videos instantly, making it effortless to stay on top of my recordings. At night, the advanced night vision technology stands out, with wide-angle lenses and large apertures ensuring sharp footage, no matter how dark the surroundings. The 140-degree front and 112-degree rear viewing angles cover a wide field for maximum safety. However, I appreciate that the dash cam is built to last, with a supercapacitor and excellent heat dissipation that ensure consistent performance in extreme conditions. The 24-hour parking mode with GPS tracking further adds to its utility, keeping my car secure even when parked. Pros: genuine 4K plus 4K recording for unmatched clarity, convenient app control with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, robust build with a supercapacitor for longevity. Cons: parking mode requires a hardwire kit, sold separately. Rear camera has a slightly narrower field of view, 112 degrees. Number 1. In our list, the number 1 product name is VIOFO A229 Pro DAS Cam. When I needed a reliable dash cam for my car, the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam stood out. With dual Starvis 2 sensors, this device delivers stunning 4K front and 2K rear recording quality, ensuring clear footage of every detail, whether it's a license plate or a scenic view. Additionally, the HDR technology combined with advanced night vision provides exceptional clarity in low-light conditions. Whether driving at night or through shadowy areas, this dash cam captures balanced highlights and shadows seamlessly. What impressed me even more is its voice control feature. With just a few simple commands, I can lock videos, capture photos, or toggle Wi-Fi without taking my hands off the wheel. This level of hands-free convenience makes driving safer and stress-free. The 24-hour parking mode is another standout feature. It offers multiple recording options, like event detection and time-lapse, ensuring my vehicle is always monitored. Plus, the built-in GPS adds location and speed tracking, making it incredibly useful for trip reviews or evidence collection. Pros: crystal clear 4K plus 2K resolution with HDR for day and night use. Voice commands for hands-free operation. Durable supercapacitor for extreme weather conditions. Cons: parking modes require an additional hardwire kit, sold separately. SD card not included, requiring a separate purchase. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Buy.